G'day, I'm David from DCA. Wanted to show you the tower from the DCA Mega Gaming Pack. This is probably one of our most horsepower per dollar towers. We've put into this a mix of components that gives solid performance in gaming, yet you're not paying the premium from the absolute top end of the component pricing scale. This one's sporting an i7-960. The 3.2 gigahertz CPU, and of course the i7s have turbo technology which can ramp up to 3.8 gig if it needs to. So it is essentially a 3.8 gigahertz processor. It has a GTX 580 graphics card which has got 1.5 gig of high-speed RAM on board, and I particularly like the holder haft have recently added, or Cooler Master has recently added to the haft case. We like that because it's very transportable. We send these all over Australia and stops the graphic card splitting in the PCIe slot down there. Another very good speed enhancing feature of this particular tower is the ACZ Vertex 2 solid state drive that we put in there, which gives you about 30% more data throughput. It just gives you that sprightly responsiveness. Of course, they're only 120 gigs, so we also include a 2 terabyte data hard drive in there as well. All of these are powered by an ACZ 700 watt CPU. They have a 3-year warranty and they're very robust. We typically like ACZ. I thought I'd give you a bit of a look at the performance scales of these particular units. Firstly, if we go in and make it read all of its devices, you can see how quickly this machine responds. This is the DCA website, and you can see the GTX 580 is running in about here on a relative performance chart. It wasn't long ago that this 5570 was the fastest thing about, and as you can see, we're talking 4 or 5 times the horsepower. Of course, if you want the fastest card on earth, the Radeon 6990, and you want to sort of get that sort of 30% extra horsepower, well, you're going to be paying another $300, but we'd be happy to put one of those in there for you. In terms of the CPU, the 960 is around here, and as you can see, we're talking $1,000 difference between this 990X and this one. You're getting a lot of horsepower per dollar for $329. So we think that's a particularly good price point unit and a great overall package. It comes with a 27-inch monitor and a whole bunch of accessories for gaming. Of course, many people buy this sort of configuration with a lower gaming card. Some buy it with a higher, but this one seems to be the most popular. This one's just passed its testing, so everything we send out has its memory, power supply, tested. The CPU runs for 24 hours running Prime 95, all cores at 100% before we can certify that completely stable. This one's just about to be packed up. It's an absolute killer, so I'm looking forward to putting one into my house. DCA Mega Gaming Tower. If you want one, press the green button up there.